Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into CARRINGTON Mortgage Mobile App review. So to get started with a quick overview, the CARRINGTON Mobile App is the official mortgage management platform from the CARRINGTON Mortgage Service LLC, designed to provide the homeowners with a convenient access to their mortgage account. The app allows users to make payment setup, automatic payment, access payment and statement, and receive up-to-date information on their estimate home value, available on both iOS and Android device. The app aims to simplify the mortgage management process by offering a 24/7 access to essential features. Talking about the strength of this platform, it comes with a user-friendly dashboard, together with a flexible payment option and a well-secured document access, together with a high App Store rating, which ranked from 4.9 out of 5, indicating a strong user satisfaction among the iOS user. And revealing the weakness of this platform, it comes with the technical glitch, inconsistent user interface, together with the customer service challenges, and increases in App Store rating. And here's a quick bottom line about this platform. The CARRINGTON mobile app offers a range of features aimed to simplify mortgage management, including the flexible payment option and the secure access to loan documents. Its high rating on the App Store reflects a general positive experience on iOS user. However, reported technical issues, customer service challenges, and inconsistencies across the platform indicate areas where the app could improve. So users should be aware of those potential issues and may want to monitor their accounts closely when using the app for payment processing.